on tailstock and headstock, at least onto one part of the side, and I'm just leaving that to dry now before I move on to the second part. It turns out that I had to cut this part off. You can see that that one's a bit long. It said that you have to trim them, so I'll cut this one off, but in fact this one is about 1 millimetre too short, so I'm hoping that's not going to be a problem and I can solve that one later on. In the meantime, while that's drying, I've started to do some work on the back. Now the first thing on the back is to join the back, and to do that I need to get an absolute perfect joint along this edge, and the way you do that is you put the two together and you sand them like this. And so the best sanding I've found is here on the side of the bench. It's perfectly flat, so I can just do this very gently, and then I put them together and you've got almost an invisible join. And then the way of testing this one, you put the two together and you hold it up to the light and you're looking for the light coming through. There's almost nothing there. So I think that that's just about ready for me to start the joint.